I'm going to be showing you how to download Where Winds Meet in your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what the first thing you need to do is open your app store, since that is where we find most apps you can download. Just go to your app library and search for App Store, which is right there at the top. Just go ahead and tap here, wait for it to load, and once you're here, you just need to look at the bottom right where you can see this magnifying glass. So that's the search button. Just tap here, and now you need to type Where Winds Meet and press on search. Wait for it to load, and as you can see, Where Winds Meet is right there. Just go ahead and tap here, and now tap on Get and verify yourself. Once you do that, the download process should automatically begin, and all you need to do is wait for the game to get downloaded. And that's how you download Where Winds Meet in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.